Take a deep breath in and breath out.
Okay, how's the lower back and the lower back? Honestly, it's, also my three legs.
Hey guys, this is Dr. Matt Lahey down at Advanced Health Chiropractic in South Loop, Chicago. I'm here with one of our great patients, Sarah. Sarah is a teacher and she initially came in with neck pain, upper back pain, and a lot of shoulder pain, specifically at work, driving to work and writing on the whiteboard, anything with her hands above her head. So we're gonna go through her adjustment today. So Sarah, I'll have you go face down. Start our adjustment off with the arthrostim. This is going to put an impulse into the joints, stimulate the discs, just get a warm up before our adjustment.
So we have to sit down. Okay, have you seen a little bit? Have you been traveling?
I was here.
Okay, so just motioning out through her mid-back, thoracic spine. Restricted motion right between the shoulder blades. So what I'll have you do, Sarah, is take a deep breath in and breath out.
Okay, how's the lower back and the lower back?
Good job. Okay, then I'll have you flip over for me, Sarah. And get your neck adjusted.
Sure.
Right. Yeah. And I don't know if that's good or bad.
Honestly, it's,
All right, one more upper cervical on the right side.
Structure, function, structure, that's what drives also my three legs.
Okay, and then we're going to do some soft tissue work with Sarah for that shoulder. So Sarah, come on up. Swing your legs around. So what we're doing with Sarah here is working on her supraspinatus. This is a rotator cuff muscle. Gets really tight, dysfunctional with rounded shoulders. So Sarah, go ahead, reach out to the side, cross and bring it across and pull. Good. Down, out to the side, across and pull. Good. Down, out to the side, across and pull. Good. Out to the side, across and pull. And we'll do one more here. Out to the side, across and pull. Good. Okay. We are all done, Sarah.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay, guys. If you're dealing with any of the issues Sarah was, or having any dysfunction, aches, pains that are keeping you from doing the things that you want to do, schedule a new patient appointment. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.